Beer's looking kind of good right now. Are you prepared to kill someone to save your son? Brad Silver, 6784 Longway Road, Lexington. Kill him. Send a picture. Get your reward. Oh man, I just thought of a new way to take down Instagram. Manfred, I have a question for you. How do you stay in business? All you do is sell typewriters.
At my age, time means nothing anymore.
That's why I sell clocks. City Morgue, we deliver.
Defying glass from behind the counter.
Oh, sure,
please.
I'll get it.
Holy
My
crap.
eyes are
I have to do
beginning
everything for
fail.
you? How do you work alone? I spy with my little eye. A dumb bitch.
Hello?
Manfred!
Hello?
Bullshit! Bullshit! This is so much bullshit.
To know who you are.
Oh, time to go.
Scott? Oh my god.
Don't come back here. God damn it.
What are you doing?
I'm calling the police.
The
No, I just
killer
got the
has
phone with
already
them. They're
called the
fine.
police.
No, are
Police
you?
will be here any second.
I'm almost finished.
I'm ready to go now. Let's get out.
That's it. We're
You
done.
get all the prints?
Yep. You sure did. All mine, at least.
The deal's off. I changed the rules. Whether you like it or not, you're going home. And I don't want to talk about it. That's
Pray
it.
that I do not change the deal even further.
I'm not a child.
All
Stop
right.
the fucking car!
You look like you got this. You go ahead. I want to play some 3DS while you drive. Shelby, use excuses!
Idiot.
Where's the gas pedal? None of the buns are gas pedal. Tell you what. Give me a handy. There's a caress option. Going for it. Score! You can do it. She's vulnerable. They never say no when they're vulnerable. I'm a badass.
Come on.
Well, I'm just trying to go.
Money? Tell me what you need.
I want your sandals.
Sure we can make a deal, huh?
I want them to replace my Crocs at home. Ah, damn!
Son of a bitch!
Ah! Don't shoot the books. That's classic literature. Ow! Oh, damn! Ow! Oh god, shotgun pellets. I've been shot like 8 times.
God
Oh,
damn
this hurts.
I'm gonna blow your brains out.
Ah.
Hey, Matt, be careful, okay?
Yeah, totes.
Talk to you later.
When am I not careful? I walk a lonely road, the only one I have ever known. Don't know where it goes, but it's only me and I walk along.
Who told you about me?
Internet.
You're not drinking?
Yeah, sure I am.
YOLO! Dude, you gotta get some new decor down there.
Stinger. Won't be long.
Damn my kinkles!
I'll leave with you in return for
Oh,
contribution of
oh, I'm so glad
$5.
Jesus guy is here. Yeah, that's a good idea. This can't go wrong, right? Oh, that was an evil laugh. He's enjoying this. Take this! Ah! Ow! Oh god! Whee! Boosh! Yeah, you like that? Ah! Ow, my butt! You know I'm sensitive there. Yeah, crawl. That'll get away. Dick kick! Eh. Eh. Instead of dragging her to the tools, drag the tools to her. They go a lot faster that way. Sander attack! Deep grind! Punch! Yeah, take that! Bitch! Ow. Surprise! Heart stab! God damn it! Why do all my dates end like this? With them having a broken heart. Now, last we left off Norman Jaden, he got some clues leading him to this car dealership dude. Apparently he used to sell off some illegal cars. No, wrong thing. One of these things is useful in this situation. Let's go back.
Blue Chevrolet Malibu 83. I don't give a damn how the car got here, whether you stole it or not. I just want to know
Just
who
saying that
bought
because
it
I'm
from.
black.
Oh, your damn car. Now take a walk.
Just call me Saltine. Because I'm a cracker, and I'm going to make your mouth really dry, and you're going to be thirsty, but you're not going to have anything to drink, and it's going to be really uncomfortable for you. Come on, man. I've seen Scooby-Doo have better investigative skills than you. Oh, dude, you sleep here? This is the saddest thing I've ever seen. Not as sad as this. Look at this. It's not even Christmas.
Damn!
Mad Jack!
You got
Whoa.
me, officer. I'll come clean.
You're
Now that
really
car,
good at
she
that.
buff up real good.
Okay. Maybe if I were to... Oh, God. Sorry.
Tut-tut,
Sorry.
no
Sorry.
gossip, stick
Sorry.
asshole. Don't even think about it.
What if I were to... Yeah! Ha ha! There we
Around, I'll
go.
pop a cap in your ass right here.
Sorry, I didn't mean to. Sorry. What about this time? Ha ha! Wrench number 2. Ow! Oh God! My kidney. Oh, I'm gonna pee blood. Oh God! Oh, I'm gonna bleed pee. Ah! Ow! Oh God! Oh! No, not good. Okay. Ow, my butt. Ah, I'm not gonna be able to lay in any direction without it hurting next week. Oh God. Ow. 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 Please, this cracker has been officially cracked. You win.
Great. I'm soaking wet. I need
Oh,
to
are ya?
warm up a little. Is it
Oh.
okay if I take a
Oh,
shower?
you're cold. Oh. Yeah.
Be my guest.
From the fridge. Oh, I totally forgot about that sandwich I had in there. That's gotta be at least 8 days old. Mm-hmm. Yep, those look pretty good. Plop. Here you go, eat up.
I took the liberty of borrowing your bathrobe.
Who said you could take my
Looks
bathrobe?
better on you.
So, do you like it?
I don't really like raw eggs. Maybe I should have told you.
I
I'm
tried
sorry.
really hard.
The only guy whose name was on both lists died when he was 10. What are you gonna do now? Dig up his coffin, make sure he's dead?
I know
I'll
it
do
doesn't
it.
make any sense.
This is really hard for me. Oh, children plot. This is where I go when I need a good laugh.